Nobody talks about how hard it is to grow up with attractive parents. Because I went to school with a kid whose mom literally used to be a model, so he had to fight for his life every day in class. Like we had a day called Muffins with Mom where everyone would bring their mom to school and eat muffins with them. But when everyone saw this kid's mom, you would have thought she was Beyonce the way everyone was running up to her. Like these kids were flirting with her in the craziest ways. I remember I heard one kid say to her, "I may be young, but I'm experienced." That was the moment where I actually started to feel bad for him, because imagine your friends saying stuff like this to your mother. And after this day, everyone would ask him if he wanted to hang out. But when he would say yes, they would always be like, "Okay, great, but we have to hang out at your house." And they literally just said this because they wanted to get a chance to see his mom. I don't blame them though. I had a crush on his mom too.